So we need to find the values of I1, I2, I3, and I4 using the given expression. Let's call these matrices in the expression as this would be matrix A, this matrix B, and this is matrix C. So A times B equals C. Well, now since on the left side of our equality we have multiplication of two matrices, we can actually multiply them. So let's multiply matrix A by matrix B. Then their product matrix would be 13.7 times I1 plus negative 4.7 times I2 plus negative 2.2 times I3 plus 0 times I4. Then in the next row we have negative 4.7 times I1 plus 15.4 times I2 plus 0 times I3 and plus negative 8.2 times I4. Next we have negative 2.2 times I1 plus 0 times I2 plus 25.4 times I3 plus negative 22 times I4. And in the next row we have 0 times I1 plus negative 8.2 times I2 plus negative 22 times I3 plus 31.3 times I4. So this is our product matrix. Let's move this a bit, and we know that it equals matrix C. So 6, negative 6, 5, negative 9. Well, so now let's rewrite this as a system of equations. So basically we know that the first element of the left side matrix needs to be equal to the first element of the right side matrix. So we get that 13.7 times I1 minus 4.7 I2 minus 2.2 I3 plus 0 I4, so just 0 equals 6. Then the second element of the left side matrix needs to be equal to the second element of the right side matrix. So here we get negative 4.7 I1 plus 15.4 I2 plus 0 I3 and minus 8.2 I4 equals negative 6. Same for the third element, so here we have negative 2.2 I1 plus 25.4 I3 minus 22 I4 equals 5. And finally, negative 8.2 I2 minus 22 I3 plus 31.3 I4 equals negative 9. So we have 4 simultaneous equations, and we need to solve them in order to get values of unknown variables. After performing basic operations on 4 of these equations, we get that I1 equals 0.021, I2 equals negative 0.908, I3 equals negative 4.655, and I4 equals negative 0.986. So this is the result.